Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, we saw that sell side was more dominant, but at the same time, responsive buyers were active and defended the 02 to 04 support zone. At this point, heading into the open, we're going to be using the 02 half to 04 half as the micro bull bear zone, and that is a place where responsive buyers can be active. In the event that ES holds above 02 half to 04 half, we can actually see a move back up towards the 1275 previous VPOC and the 1375 to 1575 initial resistance zone. And at that point, sellers can be active at the zone, and we can get some rotation off of that. In the event of a break above 1575, we have resistance at 18 quarter, followed by 1975 to 2175. And again, sell side can be active at pretty much every zone along the way. The immediate resistance above here is 08 to 2110, and we can stall a little bit there, but the primary upside objective in the event that 02 half and 04 half holds is going to be the previous VPOC of 1275 and the 1375 to 1575 initial resistance. Now on the downside, if we get a break and hold below 02 half to 04 half, then we can get a move down into the 98 support, 95, and the next major inflection point is the 91.75 to 93.75 initial support zone. Responsive buyers can be active there. So in the short term, even though we saw the sell side take over yesterday, it doesn't really change the overall trend, which is still technically bullish. And at the same time, as ES is testing this 02 to 04 area, the Russell is testing some better support as well. So we can actually get a decent bounce right off of here, right off of 02 half to 04 half. That is pretty decent trade location. So in the event that the other markets are holding up and we get some stabilization here, we could be going back up. But if we break the 02 half, then the next major inflection point is going to be 91.75 to 93.75. But depending on how we get there, the buy side could defend the 98 and 95 support levels as well. And after that, the idea is going to be to just expect responsive buyers on first test of pretty much every zone. And 91.75 to 93.75 is an area that can reverse the market back up towards the 02 half to 04 half. In the event that we go lower, the same idea applies. The expectation is going to be for responsive buyers to be active, because so far this could simply be a short-term correction, just a pullback within a overall uptrend. So our larger time frame bias is still going to be bullish. Short term, it's a bit more neutral, but the overall bias continues to be fairly bullish. And as we get pullbacks into support, we're probably going to see the buy side defend the market at pretty much every support area along the way. And even if we slice through or eventually break through 91.75 to 93.75, it doesn't mean that we have to now completely break down. Buyers can still be active at 86 to 88. So overall, we are in this market where pretty much every zone can result in some sort of rotation or reaction. A break of one zone can lead to a short-term directional move to the next area. So if we break 02 half, then we can go directional down into 98, 95, and possibly 91.75 to 93.75. Because the larger time frame bias is bullish, buyers can step in at even 95 ahead of initial support. 98 is the first immediate inflection point below 02 half, but if we're going down on decent momentum and weak internals with the other markets also selling off, then 98 might not result in a all-out reversal. That's something we'll have to gauge in real time. So that's the type of market we're in. 02 half to 04 half is going to help us establish the short-term directional bias off the open. Above it, we know that buy side can step in for a move back up to 1275 and 1375 to 1575. That is the high probability objective in the event that the micro bull bear zone holds. And then if it breaks, we know that ES can go down to 91.75 to 93.75, at which point buyers can step in again. So those are the main ideas heading into the open. Let's see if the buy side can defend here at the micro bull bear zone. That'll help set the tone for the day, and we'll take it from there.